Good morning, all of you. So let's continue the properties of rational numbers. And we were discussing about commutativity. I've already discussed about commutative property for integers as well as whole numbers. And today we will be discussing about commutative property for rational numbers. Let's see the case for addition. And I'm taking numbers minus 1 by 3 and 2 by 7. How will you add this? Minus 1 into 7 plus 2 into 3. Okay, divided by denominator. What is that? 3 into 7. Now what is minus 1 into 7? It's minus 7 plus what is 2 into 3 is 6. Now what is 3 into 7? It's 21. Now what is minus 7 plus 6? It's minus 1 by 21. So answer is minus 1 by 21. Okay. Now let's do the reverse. So this is A plus B. Now let's do B plus A. Okay. That is 2 by 7 plus minus 1 by 3. Just reversing the numbers. Okay. So 2 into 3 plus minus 1 into 7. That is cross multiplying. Divided by what is in the denominator? 7 into 3. Okay. So 2 into 3 is 6 plus what is minus 1 into 7? It's minus 7 divided by 21. What is that? It's minus 1 by 21. So here it's minus 1 by 21 and here also minus 1 by 21. That means what? A plus B is equal to B plus A. Or you can say addition is commutative for rational numbers. Okay. And we can see by using more examples. So I am going to add minus 3 by 7 plus minus 8 by 5. Okay, two rational numbers. So minus 3 into 5 plus minus 8 into 7 divided by what is in the denominator? 7 into 5. Okay. What is 3 into 5? It's minus 15 plus what is minus 8 into 7? It's minus 56. Okay. What is 7 into 5? What is 7 into 5? It's 35. Okay. Now, what is minus 15 plus minus 56 means what? You have to add it. So, 71 minus 71. Minus 71 by 35 will be the answer. Minus 71 by 35. Now, let's interchange it and add. That is B plus A. This was A plus B. Now, let's see B plus A, which is equal to what? Minus 8 by 5 plus minus 3 by 7. Okay, just reverse it and add. So, cross multiplying will give minus 8 into 7 plus minus 3 into 5. Okay, divided by 5 into 7. Okay, now what is minus 8 into 7? It's minus 56 plus what is minus 3 into 5? It's minus 15. Okay, divided by 5 into 7 is 35. Okay. Now what is minus 56 plus minus 15? It's again minus 71 by 35. Okay. So here it's minus 71 by 35. Here minus 71 by 35. That means what? A plus B is equal to B plus A, or you can say addition is commutative for rational numbers. Or you can say for any two rational numbers A and B, A plus B is equal to B plus A. Or you can say addition is commutative for rational numbers. Okay, understood this? Okay, now let's see what is the case with subtraction. Now for subtraction, I am taking 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. 2 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay, let's subtract it. So, you can write this as 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4. Okay, 2 by 3 plus minus 1 by 4. So, if you cross multiply it, you will get 2 by 4 plus minus 1 into 3. 2 into 4 plus minus 1 into 3 divided by, in the denominator, 3 into 4. So this will be equal to 8 plus minus 3. Okay, divided by, what is 3 into 4? It's 12. Okay, now what is 8 plus minus 3? It's 5 divided by 12. Okay, so this is equal to A minus B. 5 divided by 12. Now let's see what is B minus A. B minus A means what here? It's 1 by 4 minus 2 by 3. Okay, so how will you write this? 1 by 4 plus minus 2 by 3. Okay, so when you cross multiply it, you will get 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into 4 divided by, what is 4 into 3? Okay, in the denominator, 4 into 3. So 1 into 3 is 3 plus minus 2 into 4 means what? Minus 8 divided by 4 into 3 is 12. So you will get it as minus 5 by 12. Okay, but here in A minus B it was 5 by 12, and here in B minus A it's minus 5 by 12. So you can say A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay, A minus B is not equal to B minus A. That means subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Okay, let's see by taking more examples. I am taking 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, so how will you write this? You can write it as 1 by 2 plus minus 3 by 5. 1 into 5 plus minus 3 into 2. Okay, divided by, what is 2 into 5? It's 10. Or you can write here as 2 into 5. So this will be equal to, what is 1 into 5? It's 5 plus minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. Okay, divided by 10. Now what is 5 plus minus 6? It's minus 1 by 10. So minus 1 by 10. That is A minus B is equal to minus 1 by 10. Now let's see what is B minus A. Okay, you need to just reverse it. That is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. That is what? 3 by 5 plus minus 1 by 2. That is adding with the additive inverse of second. Subtraction is similar to adding with the additive inverse of second. So when you cross multiply, you will get it as 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into 5 divided by 5 into 2. Okay, so 6 plus minus 5. Okay, divided by 10. What is 6 plus minus 5? It's 1. So 1 by 10. So here the answer was minus 1 by 10, and here it's simply 1 by 10. That means what? A plus B is not equal to B. Sorry, not A plus B. It's A minus B. A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Okay. Here it's minus 1 by 10 and here it's 1 by 10. That means what? Both are not equal. There is a minus sign there. So A minus B is not equal to B minus A. That means subtraction is not commutative for rational numbers. Okay. So that is all about subtraction. Now for multiplication, let's take two rational numbers, minus 4 by 5 and 3 by 7. Okay. So what will be the answer? It will be equal to minus 12 by, what is 5 into 7? 35. So minus 12 by 35. Okay. Now let's reverse it. That is B into A. That means 3 by 7 into minus 4 by 5. Okay. This was A into B. Now B into A. That is 3 by 7 into minus 4 by 5. So again answer will be what? 3 into minus 4 is minus 12. 7 into 5 is 35. So again answer is minus 12 by 35. That means what? A into B is equal to B into A. Okay. Now let's take more examples. That is minus 8 by 9. And I am going to multiply it with minus 4 by 7. Okay, minus 8 by 9 into minus 4 by 7. When you multiply it, what will you get? Minus 8 into minus 4 is 32 divided by what is 9 into 7? It's 63. Okay, so our answer is 32 by 63. Now this is equal to A into B. Now what is B into A? That is equal to minus 4 by 7 into minus 8 by 9. Just reversing this. So what is minus 4 into minus 8? It's again 32. What is 7 into 9? 63. So here 32 by 63. Here also 32 by 63. That means what? A into B is equal to B into A. That means what? Multiplication is commutative for rational numbers. Okay. If you want, you can check with more examples. Now let's see what is the case with division. Then I am taking minus 5 by 3 divided by 3 by 7. Okay, 3 by 7. And you know that when you divide, division is simply equal to what? Multiplying with the reciprocal of second. That means what? First number write as it is and put the multiplication sign. And what is the reciprocal of 7 by 3 by 7? It's 7 by 3. Okay. Now our answer will be, what is minus 5 into 7? It's minus 35. What is 3 into 3? It's 9. So answer will be minus 35 by 9. Okay. Now let's check. So this is equal to what? A by B. Okay, this is A by B. Now let's see what is B by A. B by A means what? 3 by 7. 3 by 7. This is our B and this is our A. So 3 by 7 divided by minus 5 by 3. Okay. So this will be equal to what? 3 by 7 into, what is the reciprocal of this? It's 3 by minus 5. Okay. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 9 by minus 35. So in the first case we got minus 35 by 9 and the second case we got 9 by minus 35. Okay. So that means what? A by B is not equal to B by A. Okay. Both these are not equal. So A by B is not equal to B by A. That means division is not commutative for rational numbers. Let's take one more example and see. I am taking 1 by 3 and dividing it by 2 by 5. Okay. So how will you divide it? 1 by 3 into reciprocal of second means 5 by 2. So it will be 5 by 6. Okay, answer will be 5 by 6. Now, so this is A by B. Now what is B by A? B by A is equal to 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. Okay, that means what? 2 by 5 into reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 by 1. Okay, so our answer will be 6 by 5. Okay, so in the first case A by B was equal to 5 by 6 and B by A is equal to 6 by 5. That means what? A by B is not equal to B by A in this case. That means division is not commutative for rational numbers. Okay, division is not commutative for rational numbers. So this is all about commutative property for rational numbers. We have discussed about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. And now let's see what are the conclusions that we are getting from this commutative property. Okay, so these are the conclusions that we are getting, that is addition and multiplication are commutative for rational numbers. Okay, that is the first conclusion. That means what? Addition and multiplication are commutative means what? A plus B is equal to B plus A for any two rational numbers A and B. And multiplication means what? A into B is equal to B into A for any two rational numbers. Okay. And what about the second one? Subtraction and division are not commutative for rational number. That means what? A minus B is not equal to B minus A. Similarly, division means what? A by B is not equal to B by A. Okay, so these are the conclusions we are getting. Okay, I hope you understood this commutative property for rational number. Only thing that you have to do is you have to do A plus B or A minus B or anything, and just you have to do the reverse, that is B plus A or B minus A, and so on. Okay, and you have to check whether they are equal. If they are equal means what? They will be commutative to each other, or they will be commutative. Okay, so that's all about the second property, that is commutative property. I hope you understood this. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.